Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw Candy Cat. Let's begin. Candy Cat is a sweet and friendly kitty who loves to have fun with her friends. She loves to play games, especially hide and seek. Candy is curious and loves to explore new places. She enjoys spending time with her friends, sharing snacks, and telling funny stories. Candy Cat is kind-hearted and always makes everyone smile with her playful antics. Candy Cat loves to play hide and seek. Do you like playing hide and seek too? Candy Cat is curious and loves to explore. What new place would you like to explore? Ready to add colors to Candy Cat. Let's start with orange. Then pink. Next is dark shade of orange. We have light shade of green. Dark shade of green follows after. Green is up next. And lastly, purple. Great work! Candy Cat wears a cute dress and always has a cheerful expression. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.